arbitrationagreements.org. In the diverse landscape of conflict resolution, conciliation holds a unique position. But what exactly is conciliation, and how does it work? Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of conciliation. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. Now, conciliation is a voluntary process where a neutral third party, known as the conciliator, helps disputing parties to reach a settlement. Here's a basic step-by-step overview of the process. First, both parties agree to enter conciliation. This is followed by a preparatory stage where the conciliator meets separately with each party to understand their needs and objectives. Then comes the exploration stage where the conciliator encourages communication, allowing both sides to express their feelings and clears any misunderstanding. Lastly, in the negotiation stage, the conciliator assists the parties in devising mutually acceptable solutions. Now you might be wondering, why choose conciliation? Well, the primary benefit of conciliation is that it often results in a win-win situation. Parties maintain control over the outcome, and it tends to be less adversarial and stressful than litigation. It is also cost-effective and time-saving. To bring some perspective, let's take a look at some interesting statistics. According to a 2022 survey, almost 80% of conciliation cases are successfully resolved. Furthermore, almost 9 out of 10 of respondents reported satisfaction with the process. Another report in 2021 found that around 95% of individuals who used their conciliation service were satisfied or very satisfied with their experience. So there you have it, conciliation in a nutshell. By fostering understanding, encouraging communication, and assisting in crafting win-win solutions, conciliation can transform disputes into opportunities for growth and collaboration. Remember, resolving conflicts doesn't always have to involve a battle. With methods like conciliation, it can be a journey towards understanding and collaboration. If you want to learn more information about conciliation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle your issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to handle claims in a controlled fashion through a cost-effective manner. Also, what do you think about conciliation? Do you view it as a potential alternative to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about the law that can help your business succeed.